In this short video, I'm going to teach plumbing business owners how to fix their Google Maps. If you're having trouble verifying your business, maybe you're not getting the postcard and you've clicked on the button to get the postcard, but you're not getting it, or maybe you just want to get in touch with Google to fix something on your Google Maps, this is the perfect video for you to watch, because I'm going to teach you how to submit a support ticket, how to get a hold of Google, and how to fix your Google Maps. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Once you log in to your Google Maps, what you should see is this. This is your home screen, and you have this menu on the left. So what you want to do is click on support right over here, and you should get this drop-down menu. And to the right, don't click on this stuff. This is where you'll get sent down a rabbit hole with popular resources. Don't do that. Just click on contact us right over here. And it'll start to ask you a few questions, and make sure you don't get redirected. So let's go ahead and just pick a business. Here I'm going to put that, I've requested the postcard 3 times. I haven't received anything. You click next. Down below, maybe it's not a postcard issue. Maybe it's something else. So you would pick something here that kind of fits your description of what's going on. Click on next steps, and don't click on any of these because it's going to send you down another rabbit hole. You have to click on next steps. Okay. And then you click on email right in here. And this is how you submit the form. It'll ask you for all kinds of cool stuff like your company name, your address, what is the relationship with the business. It'll even ask you for a picture of the storefront. And if you don't have a picture of a storefront because you don't have a storefront, then you have to clarify that. But if you are having trouble verifying your Google Maps listing, you want to fill out this form as much as possible. Answer every question on here. You get to the bottom, okay, and you hit submit. What you can expect after that is Google will take a few days. I've seen it go from like 3 days up to 2 weeks, where they'll reply to you and you'll go back and forth with them. They may ask you for some more information, but eventually you will get this fixed. And this is how you get in touch with Google when it comes to fixing your Google Maps, getting it verified. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you're able to submit that form and make sure that your plumbing company is verified so that you can take your Google Maps to the next level.